Reza here.
This will always pour at 61 degrees Celsius.
I'm from Phoenix. We are a listed entity in the stock market of Abu Dhabi. In Phoenix, we have different divisions. Send me a proposal. We can overclock 100%. Thank you. Take care. This is nice. So this blockchain event was mainly focused on two things: power and increase of efficiency of the systems. Right now, our industry has been on a path to get more mature. So we see more focus on finding sites, which means providing electricity for the miners, which is a big challenge, especially this year with all the AI and all this AI sites coming up. And of course, increasing the efficiency of mining systems. Right now, a lot of companies are now working to increase the efficiency in order to make more profits down the line in the long term.